Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura J6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we give this machine a tune-up, which means we disassemble the whole thing, remove the brew unit, service it, deep clean it, make sure that the O-rings are in good condition, put it back together, and we also test the machine as well with the case open to make sure we don't find any leaks or anything like that. After that we put it all back together, descale the machine, do cleaning cycles in the machine as well, and just test it out. And right now we're gonna test it again, doing one coffee into this machine. As you can see, nice steady cream coming out of the machine. That's perfectly fine. I'm gonna stop it here because I put coffee instead of espresso. But as you can see from here, look at that beautiful crema. There you go. Nice crema, excellent color, working perfectly. As you can see, the water reservoir detects the water as well. As well as the bean container detects the beans. Let me get some coffee and I'll be right back. Perfect, we got some beans in there. Now let's do one portion of milk. That way we can test the steamer. We're not going to be siphoning milk because we do not have the hose of the machine, and we also do not have milk. Okay, but we want to see when testing the machine without the hose is a nice steady cloud of steam coming out through the bottom, as you can see right here. You can hear the pressure as well coming out through the one. Nice steady one, excellent temperature, working the way it's supposed to. Working good. We're going to stop it there, and then we're going to be testing the hot water of the machine, which should be coming out through here. It's going to take a bit for the thermoblock to cool down and dispense water, but as you can see, now we have hot water coming out through the one. Excellent steady stream coming out through the machine, working perfectly. So there you have it, Jura J6 service and ready to brew, and deep clean into, and we also deep clean that brew unit. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.